Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to find out the square root of a decimal number. If you not watched my previous videos, I did the previous videos on how to find out the square root and cube root of a number by using prime factorization method and also by the division method. The link of the video is given in the description. You watch that video so that you can have a better idea about the square roots and cube roots. Here the first question is find the square root of 5.0625 by division method. Here if you are having any decimal number, you can find out the square root only by the division method. You cannot find out the square root of a decimal number by using prime factorization method. The solution for this question is given 5.0625. Here this one we will solve in the division method. So let me take the division here and here 5.0625 is the number we are having. Here if before point whatever the number is there, we will keep bar for every two numbers, and after point whatever the numbers we are having, there also we will keep bar for every two numbers. Why we are keeping bar for two numbers means here it is a square root. So you can say here 5.0625 is there. So 5 is having only one number before point. So I am keeping bar for 5, and after point keep bar for every two numbers. Here after this you see this 5. What is the nearest square of this 5 you have to see, and we know that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. You can say here, and this 5 is nearer to this 2 square. So we can say here 2 2s are 4 we got here. After that you have to subtract this both. 5 minus 4 is 1 we got here. After this whatever the point is there, you borrow this point to the coefficient and you borrow one pair of numbers. Here 06 is there, you borrow this 06 here. After this you add this 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? We got this is the divisor and this is the coefficient we got. We have to add this both. 2 plus 2 is 4 we got. After that you take box here. After this you see this one. What is there here? 4. Here 4 how many times 10? You should see here. 4 how many times 10? 4 2 times is 8. 8 is nearer to this 10. So whatever the number we keep in this box, that number only should be multiplied this total. So what we will have here? 4 box into box I am keeping here. 4 how many times 10? 4 2s are nearer to 10. So I can take 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 84 is nearer to this 106. So I can say 42 2s are 42 2s are 84 I got here. After that I will do the subtraction again here. 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2 I got. Again I will borrow this one. So I got here 2 5. Now after this you have to add this 42 plus 2. 42 plus 2 is 44 I got. Again you take here box. Here after this you see 4 how many times 22? 4 how many times 22? 4 5s are 20 is nearer 1. So I can multiply here 4 box into box. Here whatever the number we are keeping here, the same number you have to multiply here also. So 5 into 5 I got 5 5s are 25 and I will borrow here 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22 and 2 here and 2 here. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So I got 2225 and here I got 2225. So I can say here 445 into 5 is 2225 I got here, and the subtraction is you got 0 here. So what is the square root of 5.0625? You can say it as 2.25. Here in this way we can find out the square root of a decimal number. Now let us go for another question. The next question is, find the square root of 33.64 by division method. Here we have to find out the square root of 33.64 by using division method. The solution for this question is given square root of 33.64. Here we have to find out the square root of 33.64. So we will take the division method. Here we are using. So let me take the division here. 33.64. As we discussed already, we have to keep bar for every two numbers before the decimal and after the decimal. Here is point is there, so I will keep a bar for these two numbers, and here after bar you are having two numbers. I kept a bar for the two numbers. If you are having a number like this 13536.367, if you are having a number like this, we will take bar like this. Here before point you should keep bar like this, after point you should keep bar like this. Here 36 we will keep a bar, 35 we will keep a bar, and we will take one separately. After bar you will keep for two numbers like this, and this one number is left, no, so we will take the number 1 bar. In this way we will take the bars here. Now you see this 33. What is the nearest square of this 33? We can say 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36. So 6 6s are 36 is more. So we can say here 5 5s are 25. Here after this you do the subtraction. 33 minus 25 is 8 we got here, and this point you keep here and borrow this 64 here. After this you add this 5 and 5. What is 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 after you take box. Here you got 10 box into box. You should do whatever the number we will keep in the box, the same number you should keep in the down box also. See here, you are having here 10. Here you are having here 86. 10 how many times 86? We can say 10 8s are 80 is the nearer one. So we keep here 8 into 8. 108 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64, and you will get here 6. 8 zeros are 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 ones are 8, and you got 864 is the answer for 108 into 8 is 864, and after subtracting you got answer 0. So we can say what is the square root of 33.64? We can write it as 5.8 whole square. Means 5.8 into 5.8 is 33.64, and we can cancel the square and root. The solution for the answer is 5.8. In this way, we can find out the square roots for the decimal numbers also, but we cannot find out the decimal numbers square roots by using prime factorization method. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.